Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So, the whole thing with the Euro Yen is that the trend is up on the weekly and the daily. So, we need to look at these moves we see to the downside as possibly pullbacks within an uptrend. We did get a break of structure. So, I mean, this could be an A, and this could turn into one, two, three waves up for a wave B. But if we go long right there, thinking that we're in a wave B, and then it just keeps on going up, that's like a bonus trade to me. So what I'm doing right now is I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I would expect at least a 38% pullback, and it could go all the way down to 78%. I would like to see some sort of a three-way pattern, maybe something like this, to go long again, and then I will hopefully learn and earn whether this really is a wave B or whether we're just in another wave of the higher time frame uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.